Managing finances can be tough, and many people struggle with debt, lacking a clear understanding of how to invest their money wisely. Debt can be overwhelming, making it hard to see a way out, and the stress it brings can be really debilitating. Financial challenges like these are common, and it's easy to feel like you're the only one facing them. People often feel trapped in a cycle of debt, with no clear plan for escape. The amount of financial advice available can also be overwhelming, making it difficult to know where to start or who to trust. Smart Wealth Academy offers a range of free resources, including playlist courses and tools, all designed to help you overcome your financial challenges. Their multiple playlists are a great place to start, covering topics like passive income opportunities, investing, trading, and affiliate marketing, and they're all free. The courses they offer are in-depth and really informative, helping you understand complex financial concepts in a simple way. The resources offered by Smart Wealth Academy are top-notch, and they can really help you transform your financial situation. Utilizing free resources for wealth building is incredibly important, and Smart Wealth Academy can be a valuable partner in your financial journey. They offer a wealth of knowledge, all available for free, and it's definitely worth checking out. If you're ready to start building wealth and achieving financial independence, be sure to comment below with your financial goals and subscribe to Smart Wealth Academy.